ito ay nais ko po sa inyo i-share ang top 1 ng blockbuster spots in Argentina. Kung may nais po kayo ipalabas po sa tahanang ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. At i-shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So heto, nasisimulan na po natin ang mga tourist spots sa Argentina. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Ika 100 is Retiro Mitre Station. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1915. It served as terminal station for the Mitre line in Buenos Aires. Number 99 is Cape San Pablo. It is located in Tierra del Fuego, Argentina. It is famous for its lighthouse and Desdemona ship. Number 98 is Monte Leon National Park. It is located in Santa Cruz, Argentina. Established in year 2004. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is Argentina's first sea national park. Number 97 is Mendoza Wine Regions. It is located in Mendoza, Argentina. Established in year 1556. It is the first, the largest, and most famous vineyard in Argentina. Number 96 is Biagel Channel. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It is a prominent area to watch rare and endemic dolphins. Number 95 is Tigre Delta. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is named after the jaguars. It is one of the largest delta in the world. Number 94 is Fitzroy Mountain Range. It is located in Patagonia, Argentina. It is the natural border of Argentina and Chile. Number 93 is Tierra del Fuego National Park. It is located in Tierra del Fuego, Argentina. Established in year 1960. It's the only park in Argentina combining marine, wood, and mountain environments. Number 92 is Moon Valley. It is located in San Juan, Argentina. It is famous for holding some of the world's oldest dinosaur artifacts. Number 91 is Strait Tango. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Established in year 1880. It is one of the most famous and influential dances in the world. Number 90 is Recolecta Cultural Center. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1732. It is an exhibition and cultural event center in the Recolecta. Number 89 is Mar del Plata Beach. It is located in Mar del Plata, Argentina. It is Argentina's most popular beach resort. Number 88 is Cave of the Hands. It is located in Santa Cruz, Argentina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is a cave famous for its prehistoric art of 800 handprints. Number 87 is Quebrada de San Lorenzo. It is located in Salta, Argentina. It is a famous forest reserve in mountain foothills. Number 86 is San Telmo Market. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1897. It is the most famous market in Buenos Aires. Number 85 is Gutierrez Lake. It is located in Bariloche, Argentina. It is a large lake famous for kayaking, fishing, and hikes. Number 84 is Talampaya National Park. It is located in La Rioja, Argentina. Established in year 1997. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is known for its geological and archaeological formations. Number 83 is Route of the Seven Lakes. It is located in Patagonia, Argentina. It is the popular name given to the scenic portion of National Route 40 between two towns. Number 82 is Cerro San Bernardo Cable Car. It is located in Salta, Argentina. It was built in year 1988. You can see here the panoramic views of San Bernardino. Number 81 is Ibera Wetlands. It is located in Corrientes, Argentina. It is the second largest wetland in the world. It is an important reservoir in South America. Number 80 is Southern Fujian Railway. It is located in Tierra del Fuego, Argentina. It was built in year 1909. Also called Train of the Edge of the World, it is the world's southernmost railway. Number 79 is Ponce House. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 2003. It is famous for its cantilevered box house design and floats above the ground. Number 78 is Quebrada de Cafayate. It is located in Salta, Argentina. It is famous for its colorful and unusual rock formations. Number 77 is Lani National Park. It is located in Patagonia, Argentina. Established in year 1937. It is famous for its numerous rivers and streams. Number 76 is Emerald Lagoon. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It is a popular attraction for hikers for its breathtaking views and sparkling greens. Number 75 is National Marine Museum. It is located in Tigre, Argentina. It was built in year 1874. It exhibits the marine history of Argentina. Number 74 is Silver River. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is the second largest basin in South America. It is the border of Argentina and Uruguay. Number 73 is Tansha. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It is famous for mansion in French or English style and land for farming or cattle raising. Number 72, Antofagasta de la Sierra. It is located in Catamarca, Argentina. It is a village known for its 200 volcanoes. Number 71 is Museo Regional Molino Andes. It is located in Trevelin, Argentina. It exhibits the history and culture of Welsh in Trevelin. Number 70 is Villa Ocampo. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1890. It is famous for its list of distinguished visitors who came to Argentina invited by Victoria. Number 69, Salinas Grandes. It is located in Salta, Argentina. It is the world's third largest salt flat and the largest in Argentina. Number 68 is Argentino Lake. It is located in Santa Cruz, Argentina. It is the largest freshwater lake in Argentina. Number 67 is Mount Cathedral Sky Resort. It is located in Patagonia, Argentina. It is Argentina's most famous sky town. Number 66 is Coruchat House. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1953. It is Le Corbusier's only building in South America. Number 65 is Marshall Glacier. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It is named after the explorer Marshall. It is the most important source of fresh water in Ushuaia. Number 64 is Torres del Paine National Park. It is located in Puerto Natales, Argentina. Established in year 1959. It is the natural border of Chile and Argentina. Number 63 is El Chalten Village. It is located in Patagonia, Argentina. It was built in year 1985. It is known worldwide as the national capital of trekking in Argentina. Number 62 is Museum of High Altitude Archaeology. It is located in Salta, Argentina. It was built in year 2007. It is famous for the displays of the Incan artifacts found in Mount Yoyaco. Number 61 is General San Martin Theater. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1954. It served as premier stage theater, opera houses, and concert hall. Number 60 is Ponta Tombo National Reserve. It is located in Chubut, Argentina. It is the largest penguin colony outside of Antarctica. Number 59 is Natural Science and Oceanographic Museum. It is located in Puerto Madryn, Argentina. It was built in year 1972. It is famous for its Arctic wildlife artifacts. Number 58 is Emilio Carapa Museum of Fine Arts. It is located in Cordoba, Argentina. It was built in year 1914. It is a famous art museum in the province of Cordoba. Number 57 is Cathedral of Cordoba. It is located in Cordoba, Argentina. It was built in year 1577. It is the oldest church in continuous service in Argentina. Number 56 is Barolo Palace. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1919. It served as an allegory for the structure and content of Dante Alighieri's Divine Comedy. Number 55 is Las Leñas Sky Resort. It is located in Mendoza, Argentina. It was built in year 1983. It is one of South America's best-known sky resorts. Number 54 is British Clock Tower. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1916. Also called Torre Monumental, it is a famous historical clock tower in the town of Retiro. Number 53, Edge of the World Lighthouse. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It was built in year 1884. It is the lighthouse mentioned in the famous novel of Jules Verne. Number 52 is Boca Juniors Stadium. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1938. It is Argentina's most iconic stadium. Number 51 is Central Market. It is located in Mendoza, Argentina. It was built in year 1884. It is the oldest shopping center of Mendoza. Number 50 is Tigre Art Museum. It is located in Tigre, Argentina. It was built in year 2006. It exhibits famous Argentine arts from the 19th and 20th centuries. Number 14 is Azafran Restaurant. It is located in Mendoza, Argentina. It was built in year 1884. It is the most famous restaurant in Mendoza, the wine capital of Argentina. Number 48 is Maritime Museum of Ushuaia. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It was built in year 1902. It exhibits the history of Tierra del Fuego. Number 47 is Floralis Generica. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 2002. It is the world's first mobile public sculpture to be controlled by hydraulics. Number 46 is the Rainbow Mountains. It is located in Quebrada de Humahuaca, Argentina. It is also called 14th Colored Mountain and Hornacal. Number 45 is San Ignacio Mini. It is located in Misiones, Argentina. It was built in year 1667. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is Argentina's best preserved Jesuit mission. Number 44 is Peninsula Valdez. It is located in Chubut, Argentina. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is one of the world's prime whale migration hotspots. Number 43 is San Francisco Church. It is located in Salta, Argentina. It was built in year 1685. It is one of the most famous landmarks of Salta. Number 42 is Ecological Reserve. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is the biggest and most biodiverse green space in the city of Buenos Aires. Number 41 is Evita Fine Arts Museum. It is located in Ferreira Palace, Cordoba, Argentina. It was built in year 1916. It is a famous art museum in the province of Cordoba. Number 40 is Kavanagh Building. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1936. It was the tallest building in Latin America and in the world during its 1936 inauguration. Number 39 is Hill of Seven Colors. It is located in Salta, Argentina. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is one of the hill bordering the Purmamarca town. Number 38, Mar del Plata Aquarium. It is located in Mar del Plata, Argentina. It was built in year 1902. It is a large important sea life center, rehabilitation center, and aquarium. Number 37 is Plaza Dorrego. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1900s. It is a lively square surrounded by colonial buildings and old world cave shops. Number 36 is National Library of Argentina. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1810. It is the largest library in Argentina. It is famous for preserving the world's rarest books. Number 35 is Ushuaia City. It is located in Tierra del Fuego, Argentina. It was built in year 1884. It is regarded as the southernmost city in the world and the city in the edge of the world. Number 34 is Mataderos Fair. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It is an authentic gaucho market famous for its traditional music and dancing. Number 33 is El Zanjón de Granados. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1830. It is a mansion famous for its underground tunnels. Number 32 is Los Glaciares National Park. It's located in Santa Cruz, Argentina. Established in year 1937. UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is known as Austral Andes and country's most famous park. Number 31 is Edge of the World Museum. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It was built in year 1903. It exhibits rare marine mammals in the province of Tierra del Fuego. Number 30 is Juan Manuel Fangio Museum. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1986. It is a museum of motor racing cars and dedicated to Formula 1 driver Fangio. Number 29 is Isla de los Pájaros. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It is famous for its lighthouse and penguins. Number 28 is Caminito. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Established in year 1926. It is named after the 1926 tango song. It is known for its colorful street and open-air museum. Number 27 is Palermo Rose Garden. It is located in 3 de Febrero Park, Buenos, Argentina. It was created in 1914. It is the most beautiful park and garden in Buenos Aires. Number 26 is Las Lilas de Areco Museum. It is located in San Antonio de Areco, Argentina. It was built in year 2009. It exhibits the art collections of the famous Argentine painter Don Campos. Number 25 is Plaza Malvinas. It is located in Ushuaia, Argentina. It was built in year 1903. It is a famous historical monument in the city of Malvinas. Number 24 is National Library of Teachers. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1870. It is a famous public library in the city of Buenos Aires. Number 23 is Grande Beach. It is located in Mar del Plata, Argentina. It is considered as the best beach and most beautiful surf spots in Argentina. Number 22 is the Obelisk of Buenos Aires. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1936. It commemorates the 400 years of the foundations of Buenos Aires and raising its first flag. Number 21 is Cave Tortoni. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1858. It is the oldest coffee shop in Argentina. Number 20 is Mount Aconcagua. It is located in Mendoza, Argentina. It is the highest mountain in South America. Number 19 is Galeries Pacifico. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1992. It is a shopping mall declared as National Historic Monument due to the mural paintings. Number 18 is Al Ateneo Grand Splendid Bookstore. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1919. A former theater, it was named as the world's most beautiful bookstore in year 2019. Number 17 is Columbus Theater. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1857. It is the main opera house in Buenos Aires and one of the 10 world's best opera houses. Number 16 is Plaza San Martin. It is located in Mendoza, Argentina. It was built in year 1896. It is a picturesque square dedicated to one of Argentina's most celebrated figures. Number 15 is Costa Park. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1997. It is the leading amusement park of Argentina. Number 14 is Woman's Bridge. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1998, also called Puente de la Mujer. It is a rotating bridge represents a couple dancing tango. Number 13 is Metropolitan Cathedral. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1791. It is Argentina's main Catholic church. It is where Pope Francis used to perform Mass. Number 12 is Cabildo of Buenos Aires. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1580. It was the site of former Spain's colonial administrations, now a museum. Number 11 is Gaucho Festival. It is located in San Antonio de Areco, Argentina, established in year 1937. Also called the Festival of Tradition, it is a famous gaucho celebrations in Argentina. Number 10 is Nahuel Huapi National Park. It is located in Neuquén, Argentina, established in year 1934. It is Argentina's oldest national park, largest lake, and most popular resort area. Number 9 is Abasto Shopping Mall. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1999. It is the largest shopping mall in Buenos Aires. Number 8 is San Antonio de Areco. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1730. It is regarded as the cradle of tradition in Argentina. Number 7 is May Avenue. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1894. It is home to many famous buildings and important historical events in Argentina. Number 6 is National Historical Museum. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1889. It is a museum dedicated to the history of Argentina. Number 5 is National Museum of Fine Arts. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1896. It exhibits the world's largest collection of Argentine art. Number 4 is July 9 Avenue. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1980. It is famous for White Obelisk, the world's widest avenue, and named after independence. Number 3 is Plaza de Mayo. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1580. It is Buenos Aires' oldest public square and Argentina's most famous square. Number 2, Iguazu Falls. It is located in Puerto Iguazu, Argentina. It is the largest waterfalls in the world. It is border between Argentina and Brazil. Ang nangunguna po sa ating listahan ayon sa survey ay ang Casa Rosada. It is located in Buenos Aires, Argentina. It was built in year 1898. Situated in Plaza de Mayo, it is the seat of Argentine national government and president.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng naparami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan ay maaari po natin po itong i-share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!
You